Manipur Police apprehended an active cadre belonging to the prescribed outfit PREPAK Progressive in Imphal East District yesterday. The individual, identified as Imphal Singh, age 24, was taken into custody following a coordinated operation by law enforcement authorities. During the arrest, the police recovered a cache of items from Imphal Singh's possession. The seized items include one pistol, 4 live rounds, a magazine, a 4-wheeler vehicle, and a mobile phone. Imphal Singh's affiliation with the proscribed outfit underscores the challenges faced by authorities in dealing with insurgent activities and illegal arms trafficking. Imphal Singh is currently in police custody and further investigations are underway to gather more information about his activities and possible connections within the insurgent network. In another case, security forces arrested an active member of the MNRF outfit identified as K. Gaijailung, 41 years old, from Langol, Imphal West District. Further, from his possession, 2 mobile handsets and a 4-wheeler vehicle were recovered. He was involved in extortion from construction companies in Nonne. Following the same, Manipur Police forces have intensified their efforts in fringe and vulnerable areas of hill and valley districts, resulting in significant seizures of illegal arms and ammunition. According to reports, the security forces' search operations in Kamuching, Imphal East District, led to the discovery and seizure of a cache of arms and ammunition. The whole included 2 country-made 40mm guns, 21 Pompey mortar bombs, about 3 feet of Cortex wire, roughly 1 kg of dynamite gunpowder, 4 Pompey ammunition round cap holders, 24 empty cases, and 1 battery cell.